In this video, I'm going to show you how to change currency in Pocket Broker. Now to do this, first you want to open your app and you want to sign into your account, and then you want to go to the very top where you can switch accounts. So currently, as you can see, I'm on my demo account. What you want to do is switch to your real account you are using and the one you want to, of course, change currency on. So I switched to my QT Real, which is in USD. What you then want to do is tap on it again up top, and as you can see, there's going to be a bunch of buttons. Top up and then two icons next to it, and then top right it says USD. So if you tap on USD or whatever currency you currently have, so the name of your currency, tap on that. From here you'll be able to change your account currency. So it's gonna appear over here as the current currency, and then the new currency can be selected. So as you can see, I can change, for example, into GBP, Great British Pound, and then I can simply tap on the confirm button over here, and that's really all you have to do to change your currency in Pocket Broker. As you can see at the top right, it now says GBP instead of USD. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.